Hey class, okay, so this is the Voicethread video that I said I would make for you guys so that anyone who is having trouble getting into Voicethread, you can just follow along. So the Voicethread link is right on the left here after announcements, assignments, Blackboard, Collaborate, My Grades, Syllabus and Materials, send an email, Voicethread. Just click on it and then it takes you to a page with the Voicethread login. And for some people, you need to make your password, just set up your password. I guess put in your email and then it emails you the password and then you go back to the page. And then once that's set, it should log you directly in just like it did to me. Like I didn't have to put my password in this time at all, only once. And for some of you, you might not even need to do that. I don't know, it's not consistent. And another student was having an issue because when they clicked on the link, instead of taking them here, it actually took them, let me show you, out of the Blackboard shell. It took them to their course page. And so I took them to this page here. I was asking my Voicethread expert why that would be, and they said perhaps their browser settings are blocking Voicethread access. And if there's a little shield symbol, that would mean that your security setting in your browser is blocking Voicethread. So just click on it and say allow. If that's not the case, please email me so I can help you get set up and find out what's wrong. So anyway, if that happened to you, you can just click back into Voicethread or Photoshop, I mean, and follow the link again to Voicethread. So slow. Okay, and then click on Voicethread again. And then it should directly link you in if you've set up your password. And then once you're here, these are the Voicethreads that I have access to. And if I click here on the University of Alaska Anchorage, Voicethread Photoshop, these are the ones for our class. So this is where we'll be sharing all of our Voicethreads as a class. So far, I'm the only one who's submitted anything at this point. So maybe people are having trouble and hopefully this video helps. But if you go to create, then you can upload your images, your before and afters. So I'm going to show you that. Upload from my computer. I don't need it from my webcam or software media sources. I've already saved my image to my desktop, so here's my before. It's this little yellow house. And it uploads for a minute. Okay, it's finally uploaded. I had to pause the video. Okay, so at this point, I can add a title to my Voicethread. So I'm going to call it Week 2 Crop Example. Okay, save. And then I'm also going to title this image because that's my Voicethread share, but I also want to name this image down here as my before image. Before, and save it. Okay, because now I'm going to upload the after. So again, I hit upload, same place, same thing, same process, find it, and then my yellow house is the after crop. And it really doesn't look that different. Okay, and so now I have my second image loaded, and if I select it, then I can also name it over here. I'm going to name it after, so it's clear, hit save. And then if I go to comments, I can start commenting on both pictures. They're both down here, so if I hit the next arrow, it goes to the next, whoops, no. If I go back, it goes to the first one, and then there's the other one. Almost no difference. So before, okay, I'm going to make a little comment. Let's see, I can either record one. Sorry, it's so microscopic because I'm using my laptop, but that says record. Use your microphone to make a comment. I am not going to make a recording because my internet's so slow and it's going to take forever to load. So I will type one, which you can barely see. So this is image directly from camera before crop. Okay, and just make a comment. Whatever, just explain like what it is before, and then go to your next image and say, okay, so this